close your eyes. I'll take you through a morning in Seoul without using a single noun, just sound. The pan goes 지글지글. That's the bacon sizzling. I bite an apple, 아삭아삭, crisp. I slurp noodles, 후루룩, warm and 따끈따끈. Outside, the sky feels 반짝반짝, little sparkles after rain. My heart? 두근두근, because I'm late. I run through a crosswalk, da-da-da, and the cafe door goes bang. What are these? Korea's secret sound emojis, 의성어 and 의태어, idea phones. We don't just describe the world, we perform it, and there are hundreds. Here's the magic. Many double up for rhythm and intensity. 두근두근, heartbeat. 보글보글, boiling. 주룩주룩, pouring rain. Add 하다 to make them into a verb or state. 반짝반짝하다 to sparkle. 보글보글하다 to bubble. Drop them into sentences, and your Korean becomes 4K color. 비가 주룩주룩 와요. 떡볶이 쫄깃쫄깃해요. The 떡볶이 is chewy. 아이스크림이 사르르 녹아요. The ice cream melts softly. Tiny switch, huge vibe. 반짝반짝, 반짝반짝. The double feels brighter. 촉촉, 뽀송뽀송. Moist versus fluffy dry. You can feel the texture on your tongue before you translate it. Try this when you eat in Korea. Take a bite and say, asak asak. People will instantly know the crunch you mean. And they'll smile because you're speaking with flavor. So next time Korean feels hard, don't start with grammar. Start with a sound. Say it, feel it, and let your mouth paint the scene. 지글지글, 보글보글, 두근두근. Welcome to a language you can hear, taste, and touch.